This here is guanciale. You're probably thinking, oh, you're gonna make spaghetti carbonara. First off, no, didn't you see the video thumbnail? Okay, second off, I already made it. Click here if you want to go see it. No, instead, to my surprise, you can make other stuff with guanciale, like this. Rigatoni alla matriciana. Hey, if fried pork gel is enough to sell you, it's enough to sell me. Let's make it. Alright, let's dive right in. I have here a straight-sided saute pan and a pot of boiling water, to which we'll add half a box or half a pound of rigatoni. I made the same mistake as last time. Anyway, here's the straight-sided saute pan, and here's a pot full of boiling water. We already added our rigatoni. And just to make sure they don't clump together, give everything a good stir. And now let's begin work on our sauce. Set our straight-sided saute pan over medium-high heat. Alright, our pan is heated up. Let's add 5 ounces of guanciale. And listen, I get it. Guanciale is a little hard to find. But please, I highly recommend you do find it. I can't believe I'm about to say this. Please, for the love of God, don't use bacon. It's going to throw off the entire flavor profile. Hey, the Italians are watching. One wrong ingredient and I'm sleeping with the fishes. I hate the internet. And yeah, they're a bit on the thick side. They'll shrink as we fry them. Cook until they're golden brown and delicious. You know, some of you saying those chunks of guanciale are too thick. Hi, I'm CRJ. Welcome to the channel. Listen, don't worry. Like I said, they'll shrink as they cook. Alright, everyone's looking golden crispy. Let's grab a spoon and remove everything out of the pan. And yes, leave the grease in the pan. Alright, it's all flavor. That's where it comes from. And this is why I stressed you to use guanciale. And let's deglaze with 1 cup of white wine. Oh look, leftover wine. What should I do? Mix the fat and the wine around. Make sure you get good coverage. Then let's add 1 28-ounce can of pureed San Marzano tomato. Toss some water, swirl around, get the excess. And scrape some off the lid. Alright, let's stir everything together. I just used the wrong spoon. Let's season it with a teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, let's bring it to a simmer over medium-high heat. Simmer it until it reduces. Alright, let me test the doneness of my rigatoni. Alright, it's just about al dente, so let's transfer our noodles to the sauce. Alright, and continue to cook it in the sauce for about another minute or 2. Alright, the sauce is looking nice and thick. On to the next step. Alright, let's toss in some chopped basil. 4 ounces of pecorino romano. And let's add our guanciale back in. Ah, bellissimo. Bring along some cheese and mangia. So did I go to Italy to have this dish? No. See what happens when you don't support me on Patreon? Side note, support me on Patreon. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun. And meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really like the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Monday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and support me on Patreon. It's called X, not Twitter. I'll call it whatever I want. With the way it's going now, I'm surprised it even exists.